In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for email design. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account and you have access to a Canva account. We'll start inside your Mailchimp dashboard. Head to the integrations area. This is where Mailchimp connects with third-party tools so your design and email workflows stay in one place. In the integrations directory, use the search bar and type Canva. You should see the Canva integration appear in the results. Click it to open the integration details so you can move forward with the connection. Now connect the two platforms. Click the connect button, then follow the prompts to authorize access. You may be asked to confirm the workspace or grant permissions so Mailchimp can pull designs from Canva. Approve those prompts and you'll see a confirmation that the connection is active. With the integration in place, it's time to build an email. Click Create in Mailchimp to start a new campaign. From the options, choose Design Email. If you're taken into the campaign builder, select Design Email again to open the editor. This gets you into the layout where you'll place your Canva visuals. Next, pick a template that fits your message. Consider your goal and how much content you plan to include. For example, a simple one-column layout is often the most readable on mobile. When you've found a good fit, click Apply to load it into the editor. Inside the editor, locate the content blocks. Drag and drop an image block into the spot where you want your Canva graphic to appear. This is the placeholder that will hold the design you bring in. With the image block selected, click Add to choose your image source. From the available options, click Canva. This opens Canva right inside Mailchimp so you can stay in your flow. Here, you can select an existing design or create a new one. Aim for email-friendly dimensions and keep file sizes modest for faster loading. Use your brand colors and fonts for consistency and leave some breathing room so text remains clear on small screens. When you finish in Canva, your design will be handed back to Mailchimp and placed in the image block. From there, you can fine-tune the look by adjusting alignment, adding alt text for accessibility, and checking how the image sits with your surrounding content. If something looks off, just jump back into Canva from the same spot to tweak and update. And that's it. You've connected Canva to Mailchimp, started a new email, chosen a template, and placed a Canva design directly into your layout, streamlining your email design workflow from start to finish.